Hello everyone, welcome to our first class on Autocad Electrical. My name is Felix and I'll be your tutor for the Autocad Electrical tutorial session. Today we'll be discussing about introduction to Autocad Electrical. First I'll ask, what is Autocad Electrical? This is the software I'll be using for electrical installation design or building services. Moreover, what is electrical installation design? Electrical installation design is a blueprint which shows all the connections between components, electrical components for a building. Now we're going to go to our course outline, and for the outline we're starting with module 1. Module 1 says Introduction to Electrical Installation Design, EID, and a cover page. We're going to look at About Autocad Electrical and EID, components of an electrical installation design, and creating a cover page. Mind you, EID means electrical installation design. Okay, I've explained about Autocad Electrical and EID. Looking at the components of an electrical installation design, we have about 6 of the components. We have cover page, we have a legend, luminary and fan layout, we have the power layout, the load schedule, and the schematic diagram. Okay, creating a cover page, let's go to our software interface. So to start, I'll launch the software interface. We'll go to our AutoCAD environment, we launch it, and here we have our AutoCAD environment. That's the software interface. Now to start with, you click Ctrl N. Now Ctrl N gives you a new page, for to start a new design. So after you get Ctrl N, then you have a page set up like this. You have a new page like this. The new page where we're going to start our work. Now let me introduce you to the user interface. As you can see here, we have the electrical. This is our various tabs. Currently we are on the home tab, and here we have various tools which we could use to do our design work. Okay, to start with, we want to design our cover page, and the cover page will take this format. It will contain what the proposed design name, the location, the name of the client, and our date. Now this is a sample of a cover page. The proposed electrical installation plan for a 4-bedroom bungalow at this location, and this is our client and the date. Okay, to start with, to make up this cover page design, so you can see it comprises of a rectangle, the yellow line near the rectangle, and text. So to start with, you're going to invoke the rectangle command. Now the rectangle command, we'll be using shortcuts. So take note of the shortcuts we'll be using and write them down. The rectangle command, we are going to use REC. REC is the shortcut for rectangle. So if you type REC, you can see REC gives you rectangle. REC, enter. The rectangle command has been highlighted. Now it gives you a direction. It says specify first corner point. So it tells you specify the first point you're going to click to make your design. You click here. Now it's going to tell you to specify second corner point. Specify second corner point. So the extent at which you want your text to go, then you can click. Now that is our rectangle. So we are done with the rectangle. The next we have here is the text command. Now to put up this right up, you are going to use the text command. The text command is m text. So to invoke the m text command, you're going to type m text. MTEXT. That's the M text. Then you enter. Now the prompt here, command prompt here, specify first corner. You come to where you want you click. That's the first. Then you click another point again, and that is where you type your text. Then we want to type a proposed electrical installation plan. So you type a proposed electrical installation plan for a 4-bedroom bungalow at this location. Now I'm done with my text. I'll click outside the text. I click here. Now what do you observe? You can see the text here is very small as compared to what we have here. So we are going to enlarge it. To enlarge it, we are going to use the scale command. Now using the scale command, we use the scale short command is SC scale. So you type SC on your keyboard, then SC, then you enter. SC enter is the scale command. Now it changes my icon to my pound. You can see my pointer at it. So this is what I want to scale. I click on it. I've clicked. Then I enter. It says specify base point. Now take note, anytime you take a command, you have to look at the command prompt. What does it say? Specify base point. So tell me the base point of what I want to scale. I click on the object I want to scale again. Then you can see as I move down, it increases. So if I have a particular person I want that, but I want it to be 3 times the initial object. So I click 3 and I click enter. Now I'm done with scaling of the object. Then I want to move it to the center of the object. So I click here and I move it down here. Okay. That's our text here. Alright. Now that's our text here. Then to get this, we also do the same thing here. We have our client here, the name of our client, and we have date. So to do this also, you type mtext, type it, and you drop it the same way we did this. We do it for here. Put it the name of the client, and you also do it for here, and you also have it. So here now we can copy it. Now I decide to copy it here. Copy is CO. I copy it out. Enter. Then I click on this and move it down to this side and I paste. And that's the copy command. I'll be able to copy the name of my client into this. And the same thing I can do here. I copy this, the date here, and I put it down here. CO is copied, so you say CO, enter, and you click on the object you want to copy. Then let's go. Now as you can see, I'm done with my cover page. So this is my cover page. It says here proposed electrical installation plan for a 4-bedroom bungalow at Adeni Olusegun Street off New Bed Avenue, Gewa, here in Lagos State. And the name of my client is down there, and the date of the design. So our current date, I can decide to edit this and say our date is September. So I decide to use September. So to edit, I double click on January. It highlights it. I highlight it, then I enter September. I'm done with that. I click outside here. So this is my date, September 2020, and Maybe my client is different. I'm not working with the same client. I can still double click here, then I highlight this part of it. So I can, maybe the name of my client is Mike Ade. So that's the name of my client. I'm done with it. I click here. And this is a sample of a cover page design. I hope you guys have understood today's work. Now after this, you can sit down to create different sample cover pages. Thank you for joining us today's class. I hope to see you in our next class.